Welcome to the Authentic Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. Eitada.
Number two.
This is our 20th Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0. It's a NetBank Cup semi-final. My brother, how's it?
I'm good and you, Mr. Ngo?
Good man. Hey, I can see the smile.
Yeah. No, very good. I mean, the boys are exhausted from all those multiple games that they've been playing. They haven't gotten a rest, But today they came up. They just wanted to win the game. We just wanted to win the game. It wasn't about winning it fancy or putting.
They played like they are playing in cave.
Exactly. You know, that's what you have to do, unfortunately, in these cup games. But I mean, proud of the boys. But again, as I said on Tuesday, we talk about Coach Rivero. I don't know if, but we have quite a talent of coaches here in South Africa, and I think I don't know. There are a lot of rumors about Coach Pito, Coach Rulani. One of them needs to come home because they are. I mean, they are home.
One of the best, exactly.
Coach Rulani, because of the grandfather. Coach Pito played for this team, so they need to come home and push this thing.
Beautiful.
This thing needs to get going. But I think proud of the boys today for this win, and let's see the final. But I don't know where the final will be held. The venue hasn't been. The venue hasn't been confirmed yet. But either Durban or Emalahleni. We want them there. Those who will win. Those who will win.
Remember, Bella, just 2 years ago, you were beating Sundowns at Emalahleni. At Mbombela.
Yes, you know
Emalahleni.
Emalahleni and Moses Mabhida.
Not Emalahleni is Witbank.
Yes, I'm saying Emalahleni, which Emalahleni is Witbank.
Witbank,
Nasport Mbombela. Moses Mabhida. Those are stadiums.
Thank you so much, my brother.
Thank you.
Congratulations and all the best. Eitada Ola.